Hey guys, welcome to a new video, and today we're going to be learning about commenting in Python. So, comments can be used to explain Python code, and they can be used to make the code more readable, and they can be used to prevent execution when you're testing code. So, if someone's looking over your program and they can't really tell what it's about, they can always just read the comments to figure out what each line does or what the program does as a whole. So, let's get right into it. Comments start with a hashtag. And as you can see, they are grayed out, unlike if I write an actual piece of code that runs. This is colored, this is grayed out. Now this is only a feature on Replit though, so don't rely on it. And if I run it, it outputs hello world. So this line is executing code. This line is not doing anything. It's just there. And they can also be placed at the end of a line, and Python is just going to ignore the rest of it. So if I move the comment to the end here, and then I run again, we get another hello world, and this just doesn't run. And then we can also use comments to prevent things from being executed. So if I just copy and paste this piece of code here, it prints hello world twice, right? And if I comment out this line by putting a hashtag in front of it, it'll only print once. And we can also do multi-line comments. So Python doesn't really have a way for you to do multi-line comments. So to add a multi-line comment, you could just do a hashtag for every line. So if I have, for example, 10, or I guess now that's 8 hello worlds, it's going to run it 8 times. And if we just want to run one, we're going to have to put a hashtag in front of every single one. And let's be honest here, that's not very efficient. So what you could do is you can use an unintended function in Python. And how it works is, let me just delete these hashtags. We can put 3 quotations where we want to start. Great one. There we go. We can put 3 quotations, excuse me, where we want to start the multi-line comment. And then we can put 3 quotations here to signal its end. And this essentially is it's a string literal, and it's not assigned to anything. So Python is going to read it, but it just won't run it. So if I run it, you'll see it only outputs this one, this last hello world. So for multi-line comments, even if this is not their intended function, you can always just put a triple comma on the starting line and a triple comma on the ending line. And this will prevent the code from being run. Thank you for listening.